Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: aircraft ID, route, and planned cruise altitude. This anchors your nav log. Next, set your time reference. Use Zulu and record departure time in HHMM so every leg ties to one clock. Draw the course line on your chart and mark magnetic variation. Doing this early prevents heading errors. Then compute initial true course versus magnetic course and note required heading adjustments. Once done, write the first waypoint, distance, and planned ground speed for the initial leg. You now compute every leg methodically. Derive true course from your chart, convert to magnetic course, then apply wind correction to get the heading you fly. Use a flight computer or calculator to resolve crosswind and headwind components. From that, determine ground speed so estimated times are realistic. Enter distance and compute time en route for each leg, then note fuel burn and ETA at each checkpoint. While you work, annotate any alternates. This prevents surprises if plan legs change. You finish by totaling distances, times, and required fuel, and then verify that cumulative numbers match your planned reserves. Cross-check each heading and ETA against current weather and NOTAM. If winds aloft changed since planning, update ground speeds and times. Make sure checkpoint times align with available fuel and alternates, and file any required reports. If something looks off, recalculate the suspect leg immediately, adjust headings or speeds, and note the corrected values so your nav log stays accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.